at this. This is the landing point. The landing from the Davao City, Samal Island connectivity project is here, guys. I'm here at the landing point. Look at this. Train. Hey. Hello, engineers. It's a very exciting project. Here, the buckle, the materials here for the bridge. I'm here, guys. The landing point of the Davao City Samal Island connector bridge is ongoing project constructing a 4-lane bridge to connect the Samal Island. This bridge. I'm here at the landing point. Turning around the bridge. Sir, pwede mo cross doon? Fine. Dito sa train. Ya, pwede ba? Pwede? Ay. No? Bawal? Hey, it's a big train, guys. Can I cross the bridge? Going there? Look at the train. Oh no! The train is turning around. Oh my God! Where are you going, train? Yeah, pwede. Bawal! I'm not allowed to go there. Samok-samok ka dyan. I like the project. I like the way you did the construction project. Sometimes I work here in the construction the Dpwh project. Sana sumabay ako ng goal niya. Mabagsakan din yung ano dyan, crane. Guys, no? time na lang, next time. Yeah! Pwede maana dito? Bawal? Ay, kaya ko helmet. See, bye-bye, thank you. Congratulations, everybody, for this Samal, Davao City, Samal Island Connector Bridge. Congratulations to the project. Bye-bye. Next time I gonna cross. I like to cross there. Engineer? Pwede cross doon? Pwede mag-cross doon? No? Sige, bye-bye. I'm gonna end this. Sakay din ako dali, oh. Dpwh. Good afternoon, sir. Ayusan nila, na sila project. The making of the Davao City Samal Island project. Ayusan nila, nakakaingit talaga. I just want to have a... So I like to have a contract here. My brother is still engineer. Uy, sabay ko noon, be. Managi daw tali, sir. Sir, pwede mo cross dito, sir. Kadali lang. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, pwede ko cross dito. Kadali lang, sir.
Bawal na, bawal.
Bawal na, dili ita official. Thank you, sir. Congratulations for this project. Lamian ninyo, oy. I asked for this Dpwh official. Bawal? Di ko pwedeng cross. Sabay ko sa official, ha?
Bawal pa, bawal.
Bawal pa, man. Next week. Sige, when it finished, though. You're a vlogger. You have to answer. I did an engineer kasi. Sige, bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody. Oh, congratulations for this project. Oh, ang great. Yeah. Wow, look. Before we have a lot of projects like this bridge project. I really miss. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Look at this. The footbridge of the Samal Island. Bye bye, guys. Thanks for all watching. Love you all.